Introducing the first ever revenue amplification management platform, also known as RAMP.
Ad revenue fuels your business. RAMP helps you get more of it. RAMP is bringing the best of ad tech into a single platform and making it smarter. RAMP incorporates the most comprehensive set of demand sources on the market to increase price competition and maximize your yield. You'll also get access to premium demand you can't get anywhere else. Our global direct sales team has relationships with the world's foremost brand advertisers, unlocking lucrative direct sales deals for you. We've consolidated the entire publisher ad tech stack into a single platform. With every tool in the ad tech ecosystem covered, you get all the benefits of scale with none of the headaches. And RAMP isn't just making your ad tech stack simpler, it's making it smarter. Proprietary revenue intelligence algorithms are working 24/7, adjusting thousands of settings across the entire ad tech stack to ensure you get the highest CPM for each and every ad impression. A built-in data management platform collects and enriches data on your users and combines it with RAMP's network-wide audience segments, giving you access to premium brand dollars from advertisers. Then, your ad impressions are delivered through industry-leading high-performance ad units. RAMP's display, video, and interactive units drive higher engagements, bigger CPMs. And all of this is backed by an extensive team of experts, all focused on accelerating publisher growth. Uncomplicate your ad tech stack and amplify your revenue today. Apply now.